What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can send crypto from the Revolut X app to the Revolut app. Also, if you guys want to grab some crypto related bonuses, I will leave some relevant links in the description below. And now let's get started. So first off, you would need to open up your Revolut X app. And once you open up your Revolut X app, you will be on your home screen right here. Now, to transfer some crypto from Revolut X to the Revolut app, you would first need to buy some crypto on Revolut X, which I already did. As you can see, I have some Solana on my account. Now from here, let's transfer over this Solana to the Revolut app. Now to do so, you would need to first click on withdraw right here and select the cryptocurrency that you purchased, in my case Solana. Now you would need to input the amount of Solana or your cryptocurrency that you would like to transfer to Revolut. As you can see, it also specifies that it will be transferred to Revolut right here. Now let's go with the 100% option right here. And once you inputted the amount, you can go ahead and click confirm. And there we go. No additional confirmation required. As soon as you click confirm, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from Revolut X to Revolut with no additional fees. And now let's just check if that Solana arrived. So to check this, I will go from my Revolut homepage to the crypto tab right here. And as you can see, under the crypto transactions, you can see a transaction from Revolut X to Revolut in the amount of 0.012 Solana. So that's guys how you transfer crypto from Revolut X to the Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.